Good morning. It's been requested that I share my actual morning routine, so this is what we do in my backyard every morning. First thing, I literally habit stack, bare feet on the ground at the base of a tree, and at least one hand on the tree while I look at the sun. I try to stay out doing this for really just a minute or two, because the rest of what I'm gonna be doing is gonna also happen on the ground with my bare feet. But get that morning sunlight, face the sun, and just soak it all in. This helps set up your circadian rhythm. What that means is it's going to help you fall asleep at night. Simply put. So one hand, two hands on a tree. If you don't have access to ground, to grass, or you have to wear shoes, two hands on a tree that is planted in the earth, not in a pot. So that is the first thing we do. Now, the second thing we do is we're gonna find a spot in the grass where we still have the sun. And I've been doing this Mike Holland morning routine. This is where we do about 10 hops. And we do some body waves. And we do some swims, all looking at the sun with your bare feet in the grass. Then you can do some dead arms if you want to. For me, these kind of feel weird. I just don't feel them as much as I do when I do trunk twists. So you just lock your fingers in, put them on your chest. Then some golf swings. Slap the armpit, helps to get the lymphatic system moving. Then some marching knee slaps. Once again, all just kind of waking the body up. And then just end with a few hops again. All this while grounding and getting morning sun. I like to habit stack. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down here on the ground. I am not wearing underwear, and these are pretty loose organic cotton shorts, so if things show, I'm sorry. Look up, look at my eyes. So right knee up, left knee on the ground, 90-90. Gonna grab my hands, lean forward, knees over toes, and just feel stretch everywhere. It just feels so good. Then you're gonna push back into your hips and go back forward. Do this 3 times. Oh, it feels so good. Just wakes the body up. We're gonna switch, do the other side. Ready? Knees over toes, stretch forward. Look at that sun. It's a little overcast today, but it doesn't matter. You're still gonna get the benefits of morning sunlight. Sometimes people comment and say like, you're so tan, which is great. I wasn't always tan. My skin's changed, the pigments changed because I prioritize getting morning sun. It's the only thing I do. I stopped wearing sunscreen too. I use coconut oil and beef tallow. That's pretty much all I use on my skin. So now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna switch over and put our knees at 90-90. Right knee up, right hand on your knee. Still lean forward, knees over toes, but we're gonna lean over and stretch out the whole left side of our body. And then just bring it back, let it come back to center. Stretch. Come back to center. Stretch. And we're gonna switch. Back to center. Lean forward, let your knees go over your toes. Back to center. Come back to center. Okay, last thing down here on the ground. This whole time we are grounding, which helps reduce inflammation in the body. That's kind of simply put. Your body can tend to be stagnant and hold a lot of electrical charges. I know it sounds weird, but we are. Like, you gotta think about this. If you're like, that seems weird. If your heart stops, what's the first thing people do? They grab the electric, whatever you call it, defibrillators, and they charge you. They hit you with electricity. So that's just one of a billion examples. But anyway, not here to explain all that. If you're into grounding, or if you want to be, if you just want to try it, just follow this. So now same thing, right knee up, left knee on the ground, but we're gonna put our left hand on the ground. Kind of same thing, we're gonna push our knee over our toes. We're gonna touch the ground behind our hand with our right hand, lean into that, and then we're gonna twist up and look up at the sky. Come back down, twist up, back down. And I like to like push forward when I'm coming down and then push back when I'm coming up. Switch to the other side. So touch the ground, lean forward, twist up, touch the ground, twist up, touch the ground, and twist up. And that is my morning routine. I literally do that every day. When we had the Black Sheep Club, we had 10 guys come over here every morning for 3 days. We did this every morning. Feels good. Right now would be a great opportunity if you are fasting in the morning, if you're gonna prevent calorie intake for a few hours. Try to recommend, like, if you can, obviously it's a little different for everybody, but if you can fast, just drink black coffee and salt. Put salt in your coffee if you can. Good salt's better. Redmond real salt's my choice. But if you're gonna fast till 11 or 12 o'clock, break that fast with a high protein meal. It'll feel really, really good. And if you want a cold plunge, right now would be a great time to cold plunge. The body's a little loose, a little warm, feels really nice. It's be a great time to cold plunge. But hey, that's the morning routine. If you want to give it a try, have some fun. You guys all have a beautiful day. God bless.